Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to make pound to kilogram converter in Python. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, in order to start writing the program, let's quickly move to VS Code. So first of all, let's create a new file by clicking onto this icon and let the file name be simply code.py. Now we have to take user input of pound, right? So what we will do is we will have a variable, let's say pound, which is equals to input function. Now we know that in Python, if we want to take any input, then that we can do it with the help of input function. So we will write input, and inside the double quote we will write the comment that we want to be displayed in the command line, right? So this will be the comment that will be for the user. So let's have this comment that enter the weights in pound, but we also know that this function, this input function, will return us a string. So we need to cast it to a number data type, and herein we will require a floating type, since there is a high chance that the pound can have decimal points. Let's say if someone says 2.5 pounds, so we need to cast it to floating type, right? So we'll write float and then we will cast it into this. So this is how we will cast it. So overall, if I try to explain this line, then it simply means that we are storing the user entered weight in pound into a variable named pound. Okay, now let's calculate the pound in kilogram, which is the main thing in this program. So let's understand it first of all mathematically. So we know that 1 pound is approximately equals to 0.4536, and therefore x pound is equals to how much? So x pound will be equal to 0.4536 into x, right? So the same logic we will apply here, and we'll write pound into 0.4536, and let's store it somewhere. Let's store it in a variable, and let the variable name be simply kg. So overall kg is equals to pound into 0.4536. So this is the thing, this is the required result that we wanted in kilogram. Now let's print it simply. So how we will do it is using the print function. So we will write print the weight in kg is, then the variable name kg. Now we can print it simply like this also, but let's round the result, right? Because this will print us whatever the result will be there, irrespective of the number of decimal points. So let's round it to a certain decimal point that we decide before. That means we will round off the desired result to whatever figure we want. So we know how we will do it. So we can do it with the help of round function in Python. So we'll write simply round, and then kg, which is the variable name or which is the number that we want to round, and then comma the number of digits that we want it to be rounded off. Then over here let's give it simply 2. Now let's run it and see it working. So we'll write python and then filename.py. Here you can see it's asking me to enter the weights in pound. So let's enter 1 to check if it's working, and boom, here you can see that it's coming out to be 0.45. Again let's rerun it, and this time let's give it as simply 5, and here you can see that the weight is converted into kilograms. So this was all about how to convert pounds to kilogram in Python. I hope you understood the things clearly, but still if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. We will surely try to solve it as soon as possible. So this was all about the video. Thank you.